You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by NSI International for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and Butch and I have finally made it to the last GAK product for this series.
Well, I got a sneeze coming on here, LPS-Dave. Oh, I'm not sure what it is.
All right, we are checking out the GAK-A-Pult. Are you with me here?
GAK time, LPS-Dave!
Is something wrong?
I don't know, it's something in my nose.
All right, well, thanks to NSI, which was your line, by the way.
Oh, yeah, thanks, NSI. I think it passed LPS-Dave.
You
I'll
all
warn
right?
you if it's coming back.
Are you catching a little cold?
I don't know, big sneeze.
The winter's over. Why am I saying winter season? We're in spring.
I think it's something about GAK fever.
Oh, you've got GAK fever.
fever.
Well, today we're going to check out the GAK-A-Pult Launch GAK. Yellow, we have yellow and we have blue. Fling it.
Fling it.
Fling it. You see the little hand on the top?
You say fling it, you know what I say, LPS-Dave? I say bring it,
Oh,
pal.
okay, here we go.
Bring it.
Here we go.
Uh-huh.
The Nickelodeon GAK-A-Pult is full of GAK Super Bounce Putty. Flinging, flying, bouncing fun. The GAK-A-Pult is not only a container, but toy launcher all in one.
Huh.
Fling Putty. Watch it bounce up, down, and all around. Fling it over and over again. Comes in blue, yellow, and pink. Collect them all.
Yes, fling them all.
You see the instructions there. Load it, pull it back, and fling it.
Pretty basic.
Yeah.
I think you can handle that.
Now, considering we have two, we will give this one away like in a previous video.
Oh, nice.
Because I want to check out the blue. We haven't checked out the blue.
It's too bad we didn't have the blue for the last one we did, LPS-Dave, the Furt Cup.
Why?
The blue one.
Why? Because blue is a color for furt, or?
Because you blew one.
Ah! Yeah.
Gotcha on that one.
Okay, so while Butch is cracking bad jokes,
Uh-huh.
you didn't get it, did you? Cracking
bad jokes. That one was rotten.
We are going to
boy.
open this one up.
What are we going to do with a GAK-A-Pult?
Well, I'm thinking, I say, fetch, and you run out and try to catch it as I catapult it across the open air here in the Lucky Penny Shop.
Better than any other possible candidate for that, LPS-Dave.
What do you think?
Man, oh man. Oh boy. I saw the hand move.
It's also like just a mini hand.
High five.
Oh, I see. Look at that. It's like the Furt Cup all in one. High five. Oh, good little puppy.
Oh, that's the
You're a
spot.
good,
That's the spot.
good little. Hey, watch it. I can't.
Touched a soft spot there, LPS-Dave.
Touched a soft spot.
A little sensitive.
All right, so now I need to get this out. I'm trying to figure out. I have a little GAK spillage here.
Gacker flow.
Oh, I see. There's something that twists or pulls out here. I gotta. There we go.
Careful.
I am. It just. There we go.
Aha.
Whew, that was a challenge.
Interesting.
So there's no opening in this, so we can't use it as a pumper as well as a launcher.
Now this has got a slightly smaller amount of GAK, I've noticed.
And it's actually, since it had a little leak in it, it seems to be a little dry. I don't know if it's a different version. This is very much like a putty. Look at that.
Not very GAK-y.
I'd have to open up the other one to see if they purposely did it this way. I'll have to see.
So whoever gets that as a giveaway, they'll have to let us
I was
know.
wondering, though, the original GAK, how that would fling. This one is going to fling
That's
great.
gonna hurt. That might hurt a little bit.
No, I don't think it'll hurt.
Really?
Yeah. Look,
Okay,
it just
good.
bounces
Oh,
around.
good.
No pain at all. All right, so we will just take this. Oh, I get it. Ooh, that's cool.
Oh man.
This could be used for a lot of things. Let's just stick some on here and kind of launch it to the back. Oh, yeah. Oh,
Whoa, hey,
whoa.
I got it.
It's like a Super Bowl. Kick it in. Can you kick it in there?
I lost it.
You lost it?
I guess I'm
Okay.
not as good at this. I'm a lot of practice, LPS-Dave. Haven't done that since I was a little pupper.
Okay, so now, did they say a particular size or shape?
I think it said about the size of a silver dollar.
I know with regular GAK, the more you play with it, it heats up in your hand. You can stretch it super far. This one I'm a little uncertain about. We'd have to open the other one, and I hate
Maybe
to do
the
it.
size of a dime.
Let's see. Let's
start
just see if
with
we can
that.
look. I think it does look a little bit stiffer. Let's see. Does it move? I don't know.
Interesting.
I'll tell you what we'll do, though. Let's go grab one of the packs from the other videos we made and see if the other GAK that we're used to will launch as well.
Good idea.
Okay, we did it. Butch and I...
Found it, LPS-Dave.
Thanks, buddy.
I'm a little out of practice, I have to say. It took me a minute.
So we are no longer giving away the yellow one. Why? Why, Butch? Tell them why.
Well, LPS-Dave, and for the sake of science.
Sake of science.
And history.
We opened it up.
We had to.
Because we wanted to see the consistency. And yes, it's a little bit different than what we're used to for GAK.
Even as you warm it up in your hands, it's still a little stiffer.
Totally different kinds. This is more of a putty. This is more of a slime. So that is the way this particular GAK is, and it has to be for flinging purposes. But let's just see. Let's just stick this on here, and you're right there, right? You're in good proximity. Hit you in the leg.
That was good. I didn't.
Here we go.
Catch it.
Oh,
Hey.
between the legs.
Nice.
Okay, so either one flips.
You can definitely fling and flip.
Yeah. You can actually set one on the other side and try to play GAK catch.
Let's play catch.
Oh, I hit it!
Nice.
All right, so as far as consistency goes, we've worked that out, and we are no longer giving this one away because I have opened it. I can't do it.
Look at that.
Yeah, this reminds me of like a regular putty.
Even when you pull it apart, it's like clear instead of
it's like a
cloudy.
silly putty. And clear, I like it.
I wonder if you put it on a comic strip, if it would copy.
Pull it up. Okay, so these two are like that, and then just by looking at it, you can see the difference.
Oh yeah, you can hear the difference.
Yeah, look.
LPS, Dave.
Look, this holds its shape. So if I want to make something like that, it'll stay. This will not. There's no way that'll stay. All right, so let me launch a few more at you.
Please.
Maybe I'll launch to yellow. I haven't launched to yellow. Now this is going to bounce around. It's going to really...
I'm good at this. I'll get it.
Yeah. There you go. Okay, so dime size. So would you say that's penny size? I think that's okay.
That'll work. It's lucky penny.
Here we go. Ready? Oh, hit you in the leg again.
Right back at you.
And oh, hey,
Hey.
it's stuck. I squished it on there. They probably wanted more just like in the little palm, right? Here we go.
Bring it on.
Oh! That ricocheted across
that
the
one
room.
later. Boy, that bounced.
That is really cool. I kind of like that. I think I'd set up like a target on the other end of it, like a
You
little
could
area.
shoot this thing at least 100 yards.
100 yards. That's pretty far.
That's far.
And I would say we are done. So now we
Holster
know.
your weapon.
Now we know. Exactly. It's perfect for hand size, right?
Yes.
The difference between the two, we have learned. It's all about learning and sharing.
That's
letting everybody know that we are here to do the most accurate
Mundane.
video demonstrations known to the GAK community.
Spare no expense or time.
None at all. And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.